Hey guys, James here, and I wanted to talk real quick about doing discounts in Housecall Pro and how they kind of feed into QuickBooks Online. In Housecall Pro, you do have a native discount option here, which is down at the bottom of any job or any invoice that you're doing. And you can go ahead, put in the description of what the discount's for and either a dollar amount or a percentage amount off. If you're doing dollar amount, you can do multiple different rows of that discount. Now, when you go ahead and add that discount in, what it's going to do in QuickBooks is first you want to make sure that you have discounts activated in here. So that's going to be under your account and settings. Excuse me. And then under sales, and you're going to see an account here called discounts. So we're going to want to go ahead and make sure that that's turned on. So what's going to happen there is when you go ahead and you do a new invoice in Housecall Pro and it pushes over into QuickBooks, it's going to put that percent or amount into this field here. Now that field there is going to map to a sales field in your chart of accounts or in your general ledger. So if we take a look here under your income, we're going to see a discounts given or a discounts refund given. I added this account myself, but any discounts done here are going to go to this sales account. So whether it's for just a refund, whether it's for a discount, whatever you do, it's all going to go to this account. Now, some people like to track their discounts based on kind of a division of their company. So let's use HVAC for an example. You've got installs, you've got service, you've got maybe commercial, stuff like that. So you might want to track those separately. Let's take a look at carpet cleaning. You might do discounts on the carpet. You might do discounts on the upholstery. You might do discounts on the hardwood. So maybe you want to track those separately to kind of see where you're doing. Keeping in mind that these discounts here are going to affect your profit and loss statement and show up on your profit and loss statement. So by breaking those down, when we look at your profit and loss statement at the end of the month, then it's going to go ahead and show us those broken down. So you'll see right here under this discounts refunds given account that I've created a service discount. When we do discounts like this, there's an extra step here. The first thing we need to do is to come into Housecall Pro, and we're going to need to create a new product and service or a new price list item. I like to come in and we come here just so that y'all see what I did there. Come up in the right corner, click on your initials or your image, go to account and settings, and then come here to my price list. Then I like to have a category here, not just for custom services or air conditioner or anything like that, but I like to have a category for discounts, because you're going to have multiple discounts here. So we're going to have service discounts. Now we don't want this to be taxable because discounts aren't generally taxable. Now if they are in your area, do turn this on, but that is something to consult with a local CPA or consult individually about, as taxes are different for each and every county, each and every state, so it just all depends there. And we don't want this to be for online booking, because we don't want your customers booking a discount. We want this to be something that you as the owner or as the field tech can put in. You can have a general price here or a general cost here. I generally don't worry too much about that. And then you can put in any description. So maybe you're running a spring cleaning discount. And I can't spell, sorry. So we'd put spring cleaning here and we'd say this is for carpet cleaning during the month of April. Or whatever description you want. The other thing that you want to do is you want to have like a 10% discount here. So it's going to be a little bit difficult to do here. I'll show you kind of in a minute how to do it, but we're going to go ahead and save that. Once we do that, you're going to have discounts as its own new service here. And then we're going to come here and we're going to just create a new job real quick. So give me 1 minute to put in all of this information and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead, I got our customer in, schedule, what we're doing, just a custom job for $300. And we can either have a standard discount here, so if you're just going to say, hey, $20 off of service, then you can just come in here, and when you input this, you can just put $20. Or you can go ahead and put in more specifics if you're going to do a percentage off. So maybe you're doing 10% off. So if you're doing 10% off, we're going to want our unit price to be 0.1 or 10 cents there. We actually want to make it negative 10 cents to take that amount out. Remembering we're discounting this. Now the other thing we can do is, since we already have our unit price up here of $300, we'll put that quantity as 300 here. And what that's going to do is it's going to multiply our unit price of $300 by a negative 10 cent discount or 10% discount so that we get $30 off. Now if you can do that math in your head, that's fine, but this is just another little way that you can go ahead and do all that here. And we get our discount here. Now what's going to happen here is we'll go through the job, do everything that we need to do, and we'll need to finish this job. So once we finish it, we're going to want to make sure that it goes ahead and pushes over into QuickBooks. And my QuickBooks is still having errors, so I'm just going to show y'all what it should do. So give me 1 minute to create this. So this is what our product and service or our invoice should look like once it comes over. Now once it comes over, what's going to happen here is this discount is going to go to a standard income account. So we're going to need to go ahead and save this and go to our products and services real quick. So sales, products and services, find our spring cleaning discount here, right there. We're going to edit this, and you're going to see the income account is mapped to services. So that means every time I use this, it's going to be diminishing the amount of sales that I do in services. We don't want to do that because that's going to be an income account increasing our money. We want to have the income or the discount come out of a discount account so that we can see it separately. So we're going to want to change this to our service discount account and update this account so that everything moves. Now when we go and run a profit and loss report here for this month, we're going to see that $300 in design income and the $30 discount that I have here for our service discount, so that we see that separately. And you would do this for each discount that you want to do, and you would have multiple different discount options here if you've got multiple different departments that you're wanting to check. One other thing to keep in mind with the discounts in Housecall Pro and in QuickBooks Online is the fact that if you use this discount down here in Housecall Pro and you apply this discount as a percentage, then it's going to take a discounted percent of the entire invoice. So if you're just wanting to discount one particular product and service, then it's not going to discount just that product and service. It's going to discount the entire transaction. So if you're trying to discount just one product and service, you're going to need to create a line item already, or you're going to have to put it in as an amount down here, not as a percentage. As always, guys, thank you for your time. If you've got any questions or anything like that, don't hesitate to give us a call, shoot us an email, anything like that, and we'll be happy to work with y'all. Have a wonderful rest of your day.